Hi guys and welcome to Vesna TV. It's Vesna here. I'm super excited about today's video. It is a part of a challenge hosted by Christie Creates where we had to create an item on the cheap. So it's the Chic for Cheap challenge. It's the Halloween edition, so there's a bit of a different intro and it's a little bit spooky, I must say. So the challenge is hosted by Christie Creates as well as Lianep from DIY Beauty on Purpose. So make sure you check out their channels, which I'll have linked in the description below, as well as the playlist. Now stay tuned and see what I've created. So I got my inspiration from Michael's, when it's the Little Shop of Horrors, but Michael's had this pot made up, and here it is. Check it out. So I was not interested in paying $89 for this, and I thought that this would be a really cute Halloween decoration, and my kiddo would really like it. The younger one will like it too because the older one likes it, but my older son is really into Halloween, so he'll love this. So what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree and I got these two footballs. Actually, I got one football because one I had at home. They're $1.25 each, and I just went ahead and I cut them almost to the about 3/4 of the way so that we could open the mouth. Then what I did was I put a little piece of like a Jenga block. Now you could do anything. You could do like a popsicle stick or anything like that. I just put it at the back of like the throat of the plant, and it's just to keep the mouth open. And then what I did was I painted the flowers and the inside. So I started off with the inside. The inside I painted using my acrylic black paint, and then the outside I painted using an acrylic green. Again, everything from the Dollar Tree, but I had all of these on hand. So just use a kitchen knife to cut these, and I'm going to play some music in the background and stop talking. So enjoy the spooky music and watch how I've done this. So I'm going to apologize for the messy work area, but I went ahead and I did like a craft-a-palooza where I did like a whole bunch of DIYs at once, so it is a little bit messy. So once these dried, I went ahead and I applied a little bit of red around the mouth just to give it an illusion that it's a mouth. And I just used the holiday red from Dollar Tree, which I had from, like, I purchased it a while ago. And then I will go ahead and glue some teeth. For the teeth, what I'm using is just some foam because I had it. You could use a little bit of cardboard if you have white cardboard. You could use paper. You could really use anything you wanted. This is a super cheap project, and you could technically use a lot of like stuff that you would normally throw out. So I'm really excited about this. So here I am going to attach the teeth. I also wound up adding just a little piece of a flower inside the mouth just to give it that little bit of extra design, I guess. I just like the way it looked. You don't have to do that. I did that with mine, and it was a piece of orchid that I had from a leftover project, and literally I used like one little petal of the, like one or two little petals of the plant. And I just use my hot glue gun to glue all of this stuff down. For the stem of the plant, again, you can use anything you want, but what I did was I just used 2 twigs from my backyard, so they were free, and I attached them to the bottom of the flower. And then I also went ahead and bought this tropical plant from the Dollar Tree, and I put it in my pot, and I put the stems in there, and there you have it. So now this project cost me a total of $3.75 because I had or no, I'm sorry, I'm lying to you, $2.50 because I had most of the stuff on hand. So the pot that I'm using and the like that little palm tree and the other tropical plant, they're actually real plants that I had planted this summer. But you could use these tropical plants from the Dollar Tree. They're the $1.25 each, so you would need 3 in total. So let's say you had to buy everything, 3 like the stems, so 3.75 for the tropical foliage, and then 2.50 for the balls. So you're looking at what, 6.25 for a total plus your pot. And again, you could use anything you wanted, like, shop your house. You could use like a bucket or whatever and just paint it black. So for me, it cost me literally $2.50. If you had to buy a lot of the stuff, then like it would still cost you under $10. Beats the $90 from Michael's. So if this project did not spook you away, because it's so spooky, make sure you hit that like button. Let me know what you think. My son was super excited to see it, so that made me really happy. If you liked what you saw, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, check out more of my videos. I'll be having more Halloween themed projects a little bit later on. I'm still in fall. This was just a cute thing that I wanted to make. Make sure you check out the playlist, check out the 2 co-hosts, and check out these videos that I'm recommending for you at the end. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.